Hey guys, welcome back to the emngee channel. I'm Monday and today we're going to be making some peanut butter for you. This recipe is really simple, really easy. It's probably going to be a really quick video, to be honest with you. And the only ingredients that you need are peanuts and some salt. Peanuts and salt is all you're going to need for this video. So don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, we're back. So we're just going to make the peanut butter, and I decided that I want to make peanut butter because I've just been making all these jams and jelly, and what goes best with jams and jellies? Peanut butter. So we're just going to make some peanut butter. This, I tend to get unsalted peanuts. I just like eating unsalted peanuts in general. I just don't like all the sodium. So I just get unsalted peanuts. With the unsalted peanuts, all you have to do is have peanuts, put it in a food processor. I use a food processor to make the peanuts, but you can use a blender too, like a NutriBullet or a Ninja or anything. But I just rather make a lot of my things in food processor. So, and I have salt, some sea salt. So all I have to do is I'm gonna just use this measuring cup. I'm gonna put about 2 cups of peanuts, the rest of that, in here. Literally, just put the things in there, close it, and just pretty much just pulse it until it's peanut butter. Alright, so that probably took 60 seconds, maybe a little bit more. And this is what we have here. And I'll pulse it for some more. So I'm just gonna take some salt and like literally just put it around. It doesn't really matter. Depends on your taste buds, I guess. The amount of salt that you want to put. And I'm just gonna put it back on there and just pulse it some more so it can get really creamy. This is the peanut butter, guys. I ended up adding a little bit more salt, so just taste it, and to your liking, and just add salt to your liking. So I have these 4-ounce jars. They're like half of the half-pint jars. So I got these 4-ounce jars that I'm just going to put the peanut butter in. You can store it in any other thing, but I just like storing it in something like this. And also, I was planning on doing this, but I just decided not to last minute. But you can make this crunchy if you're, crunchy type of peanut butter person. You can add some peanuts to this, more peanuts. You just have to. This is just getting messy, but you can just add some crushed peanuts to this. So this is pretty much the peanut butter. And you can just store it in a cool place, like regular peanut butter. And yeah. Alright guys, and so that's the creamy peanut butter. And then you can also have with the jam, strawberry jam, grape jelly that I've already showed you guys. I'll definitely link that video in the description box. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to press the like button. Comment any ideas that you want us to do. Well, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't sleep on us, guys. We got this pillow to try to hype up to make sure that you guys subscribe. Don't sleep on us. Make sure you like the video and everything. And don't forget, with emngee, we're going to give you heaven on your taste buds.